Hi everybody, I'm Kelsey Nixon, Best Western Hotels and Resorts culinary travel expert, and today we're making grown-up granola, the perfect snack that you can make at home and take with you on the go as you travel. So when it comes to making my own homemade granola, I'm gonna start with 4 cups of old-fashioned oats. You wanna make sure that you don't use quick cooking oats because it doesn't tend to hold up quite as well. You'll see I've got a lot of oats in there, but that's just how I like it. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of unsweetened flaked coconut. I've got a cup of slivered almonds as well, going in there. And I've got a bit of a sweet tooth, so I'm adding a 1/4 cup of raw sugar. I really like the texture that this provides and obviously that sweetness. To my dry ingredients, the last thing I'm going to add is some ground cinnamon. Cinnamon tends to be one of those spices that everybody loves, so I usually go with about a 1/2 teaspoon, maybe a little bit more. Once you've added your oats, your coconut, your almonds, and your cinnamon, go ahead and give it a mix. Now that my dry ingredients are all mixed together, it's time to talk about the wet ingredients. Now this is what's going to make that granola come together and stay together. All right, first things first, I'm gonna add a little heat here to my pan and add my coconut oil. Now coconut oil, in addition to being a really great fat that has some wonderful health benefits, it also has a nice little flavor. So the fact that I'm using the flaked coconut and the coconut oil makes for a really nice flavor profile. To my coconut oil, which you'll see is melting very quickly, I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of honey. You'll bring this mixture to a very gentle simmer. That's going to let us know that everything has come together. Just when you see that mixture start to bubble, you'll know that it's time to turn off the heat. And I'm going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, yummy flavor, and an egg white. And it goes. It smells wonderful. Now I'll toss to coat until all of those dry ingredients are coated by the honey, the coconut oil, a little bit of cinnamon. Once your dry ingredients are all coated, go ahead and grab a sheet tray with some parchment paper. You'll fold this out onto your prepared sheet tray just before going into the oven. You'll want a nice even layer. Now you'll remember we added that egg white in there. And what the egg white does is it allows you to get those nice big clusters of granola. So once I've got an even layer, I like to use my best tools in the kitchen, my hands, and go in there and just clump it up just a bit. You'll bake your granola at 300 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. You just want it to be nice and evenly browned. About every 15 minutes or so, you'll open that oven door and give it a quick toss so that everything cooks evenly. Look how beautiful this granola looks. Nice and golden brown. Now at this point would be the time to stir in dried fruit, maybe freeze-dried fruit, or even raisins, cranberries, or my personal favorite, which is yogurt-covered raisins. I love them. So adding these after your granola's cooled just a bit is a really nice touch. Not only is this granola custom to my taste preferences, it's also so much cheaper than buying granola on the go. You can spend $9, $10 on a small bag of granola in the airport, whereas if you make it at home, you can make so much more, have it just the way you want it for pennies to the dollar. It's a great option. And that's it, my grown-up granola is ready to go. I can hardly wait to take it on my next business trip. Now next time you're booking your business travel, be sure you head to bestwestern.com for all of the best rates. I'm Kelsey Nixon, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the road.